In this video, we will learn about the tree of Y chromosome haplogroup C, the first Europeans. We will also look at their estimated migration routes. Finally, based on the DNA analysis extracted from the ancient remains, the haplogroup type and representative SNP are displayed on the map. Let's look at the tree of haplogroup C. This gene is a major Y chromosome haplogroup. The single nucleotide polymorphic mutations are M130/RPS4Y711, P184, P255 and P260. Direct ancestors are the CF group. SNP refers to a genetic change that shows a difference in one of the DNA sequences A, T, G, and C. This group is thought to have first appeared in Southwest Asia or East Asia in 65,900 years ago. Most recent common ancestor is 48,800 years ago. So what about their descendants? First, let's look at the C1 group. The C1 group appears to have first appeared 48,880 years ago. The most recent common ancestor of his direct descendant, C1a, was 45,300 years ago. They constituted the first Europeans, a group of genes that created the Aurignacian culture. You can learn more about the first European video by clicking on the link in the top right. C1b is a haplogroup found in Southeast Asia and Polynesia. C1a1 and C1a2 are direct descendants of C1a. Representative SNPs are M8 and V20, respectively. It is believed that these haplogroup-bearing groups lived in Europe until about 3500 or 3000 BC. Haplogroup C, extracted from the remains of Europeans who lived up to this time, will be displayed on the map in detail later in this video. After this period, haplogroup C is rarely found in Europe. Haplogroups of these descendants are found in East Asia such as China, Korea, and Japan. Second, let's look at the tree of Y chromosome haplogroup C2. This haplogroup appeared in Central Asia or East Asia about 48,800 years ago. The most recent common ancestry is believed to be the same period. Descendants include CF3393 and CM217. It is common in Central Asia, Siberia, and Native Americans. In particular, M217 can be found at a relatively high frequency in males of Buryats, Evans, Evenks, Idelmans, Kalmucks, Kazakhs, Koryaks, Mongolians, Nagidals, Nivks, Udega, and Alchi tribes. It is also found with moderate frequency in the Han Chinese, Hezhe, Inner Mongolia, and Manchurian provinces of China. About 10 to 15% of Koreans have this gene. This gene can be found with high frequency in Austronesian and New Guinea. Descendants of the Y chromosome Adam, who lived in Western Africa about 250,000 years ago, leave Africa. They were a very small group. It coincides with the explosion of Lake Toba on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Arrows indicate the estimated pathways, and the letters above the arrows indicate their representative SNPs. Haplogroup C is the first to appear in Western Asia. From here, descendants carrying the C1 gene migrate west and settle in Europe. And some of the modern humans with the C1 gene go through Sundaland to Australia. Another group carrying the C2 gene migrates east and settles in East Asia. Some of them cross the Beringia, and became indigenous people of America. In this part, we will display the gene types extracted from the actually excavated remains on the map. Haplogroup C1 is shown in white, and C2 is shown in dark brown. The text displays the haplogroup type and its mutation at the same time. For your reference, Information from other regions in the same era is displayed as a pip screen. Haplogroup C is rarely found in Europe after 3,500 years. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe and like. If you set notifications, you can receive new video news.